So good afternoon to one and all. So most welcome to the next session. That is, today we are dealing with the session 4 or lecture 4. So in this we can study these concepts. So as already in previous classes, lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3, that is on April 13th 2020 and April 17th 2020, we learned few concepts. That is in lecture 1, 2, 3, like that. So that is fundamentals concept of computers. So in this class today we can deal with these concepts. So that is, I am going to explain today's class on 19th April 2020. This is the fourth session or fourth lecture of information technology subject with IT 402 code for 9th class CBSE. So our school and college name is CSRGS Junior College and Amma Jogai. Subject is information technology IT 402 code. So in that first chapter it is called as fundamentals of computer. So in that 3 lectures are over. Today we can deal with 4th lecture, that is called as online teaching or virtual teaching. So in this class today we can see regarding types of softwares. So types of softwares, so based on the previous class continuation. So as in previous class already explained regarding the definitions, what is meant by software, then only we can deal with this step by step. So once again I am going to define these types of softwares, but before types of softwares and examples of the softwares, let me revise once again or define once again what is meant by software. So I am going to define software is defined as set of programs, where program is defined as set of instructions, where instruction is an order or command given to the computer to perform certain task. Why? Because we have to give each and every instruction to the computer, then only it will work. So I want to do some work with computer means we must give the instruction. That single instruction or order, it is called as instruction. Set of instruction, it is called as a program. Set of program is called as software. That software only, it is mainly classified into 3 different types or classifications. One is called as system software. Second one is called as utility software. Third one is called as application software. So one by one we can define with examples. So in this today's lecture 4th or session 4. Okay, coming to the first one, system software. How we can define system software? System software is defined as system software. Software already I explained, defined. So today I am going to explain or define system software definition with examples. System software is defined as the type of the software, system software. System software. It is the type of the software which is mainly related to system. Meaning is there only, system software. Mainly related to system. System means what actually? System means it is called as computer. System means we can call system is computer. System means personal computer. System means PC. So system is commonly operated machine particularly used for trade, educational research. Only thing is that we will call computer in primary and middle school. We will call PC in high school. We will call system in college level. That's why, so system software is defined as the type of the software, which is the first type of the software, which is mainly related to computer. Which is mainly related to computer, which is mainly used to operate the computer. So that's why it is called as a system software. And system software, it can also be called as, it is also called as operating system. Its one more name is operating system. So why we have called operating system? Because to operate the system, to start the system, to work with system, to interact with system, to talk with system. So that's why it is called as operating system. We can call system software as well as operating system also. That is the definition. I hope this is clear. Then we can deal with what are the examples under this one. So system software, which is mainly related to computer, or it is an operating system. So examples are nothing but, some of the examples of the system software or operating systems are nothing but, it may be MS-DOS, it may be MS Windows, it is Unix, or it may be Linux, so it may be Android. So many are there. Different types of operating systems are there, different types of system software are there with their versions or editions. Later on, one by one in detail we can study. Okay, for time being, system software definition and examples. As in examples, I am telling MS-DOS stands for Microsoft Disk Operating System. MS Windows stands for Microsoft Windows with versions 95, 98, 2000, 2007, so Millennium, Professional, XP, like that. Unix, so it is also one of the operating system. Again in detail types of the operating system later on in classes we can study. Unix is one more operating system, and its extended version of this Unix is called as Linux or Red Hat Linux. We can call Linux, Red Hat Linux, like this. Okay, these are the examples of system softwares. But system software is mainly related to computer, mainly related to system, mainly related to PC, which is used to work or interact with computer. Those are system software. These are the examples of the system software. Then coming to the second part, it is called as utility software. I am telling utilization purpose, utility software. So this is used to start the system or interact with system. This is called as to utilize the softwares. We are going to create our own softwares by using this one. So I am going to define now utility software. Utility software is defined as second type of software. It is the second type of software because this is the first, this is second, this is the third. So utility software is defined as the second type of software which is mainly used to write and execute our own programs. These examples, what I am telling, that means examples of utility softwares, it may be C, C++, Java, VB, VC, C#, COBOL, BASIC, Fortran, so many are there. These are used to write and execute our own program, where program is called a set of instructions. Why we have to write the program? To solve any problem. It may be mathematical problem or it may be scientific problem. I want to solve the problem with the help of computer within a fraction of seconds. For that purpose, I had to write the program. I am going to write the program. So not in system software, not in application software. I am going to write the program or the modules or the projects in this software, that is no other than utility software. So we can call utility software is defined as the second type of the software, which is mainly used to write and execute our own programs. Whatever the codes we are writing, whatever the HLL codes we are writing, source codes we are writing, for that purpose we use one software, that is no other than utility software. So these are the examples: C, C++, Java, VB, VC, C#, COBOL, BASIC, Fortran, Pascal, so many are there. But among those, nowadays we use maximum C, C++, Java, VB, VC, VC++, like that. And even sometimes we are going to use some antivirus softwares also. Those will be considered antivirus softwares, device drivers, printer drivers, sound card drivers. All those drivers are also called as utility softwares. Next, coming to the third one, that is called as application software. We can define application software. Meaning is there only. Application just applied in our daily life. This is utilized to write the program. This is used to start the system, used to interact with system because system is computer. That's why. Okay. Application software. Application software is defined as, it is the third type of the software which is mainly used to, or which is mainly used for documentation purpose, calculation purpose, computation purpose. So even creating the charts like that, that purpose they are going to use. That means it is just applied in our daily life. The software which is just applied in our daily life, that is called as application software. These application softwares are developed by the developers or software engineers in software companies or companies with the help of utility softwares. But with these utility softwares are necessary, so these will work when these operating systems are there, then only they will work. So one by one they will be having the interaction, attachment will be there for them. So once again, application software is defined as, it is the third type of the software just which is daily applied in our life. How we are going to apply? As I said, documentation purpose, it may be calculation or computation purpose, it may be presentation purpose, it may be database management, it may be accounting purpose, it may be machine drawing purpose, like that. So some of the examples of utility application softwares are nothing but MS Office, Microsoft Office, PageMaker with so and so version, edition, new edition, and here Tally. So here AutoCAD, MS Office, it is specially used for the documentation, creating charts, presentations, and database management, because this MS Office again it includes MS Word, documentation work, MS Excel, calculation or computation, MS PowerPoint, it is used for the presentation or seminar purpose or demonstration purpose, and MS Access used for the database management, like that. So on, many are there. So then PageMaker. So as I am telling this PageMaker, Photoshop, CorelDRAW, almost these softwares are used as DTP softwares. DTP stands for desktop publishing. Desktop publishing softwares. Tally specially used by the accountants or financial persons or banking systems like that. AutoCAD specially used by automobile engineers, mechanical engineers to draw the drawing. Even sometimes used by the architects or civil engineers also. AutoCAD like that. AutoCAD stands for auto computer aided design. Tally accounting purpose. PageMaker DTP work. MS Office documentation, calculation, presentation, database management. C, Java, these are used to write and execute the programs, projects or modules. And these MS-DOS, MS Windows, Unix, Linux, these are the operating systems or the system software used to start the system, used to interact with system, used to talk with system, because system is machine. We are human beings. So when we want to interact with system, we must need some friend. Those are called as the system software or operating systems. Hence, once again I am going to conclude in brief. So system software, the software which is mainly related to computer. It can also be called as operating system. Examples: MS-DOS, MS Windows, Unix, Linux, so on. So where MS-DOS, MS Windows stands for Microsoft DOS, Microsoft Windows. So I am telling Microsoft is the company name. Microsoft is the company name and the owner is the Bill Gates. Where these MS-DOS and MS Windows operating systems or system softwares were developed or designed. Then utility software. It is the second type of the software which is mainly used to write and execute our own programs, projects or modules. So then examples: C, ANSYS C or C, American National Standard Institute C, C++, extended version of C, C++, or Golang C++, Java. Again in Java it may be core Java, advanced Java, Java Genie like this. So etc. many are there. Those in detail later on we can see. These are the examples of utility softwares. Then application softwares. Application softwares are defined as those or the third type of the softwares which are mainly applied in our daily life. These are just applied in our daily life. These are no way used to write the program. These are no way related to operate the system. Just these are used in our daily life. These are also called as built-in packages. So this, as I am telling, system software, it can be also called as operating system. This utility software can also be called as programming languages or HLLs. This application software, we can also call this one as built-in package. Built-in means already predefined. We are not going to write any programs here. Just we are daily applying in our life. Because examples: MS Office, a PageMaker, Tally, AutoCAD, so on, many are there. MS Office, here I am not going to write any program. Just documentation work, calculation, computation, presentation, database management like this. PageMaker, so it may be DTP work, desktop publishing work. Tally, accounting purpose, balance sheet will be getting like this, ledger, balance. AutoCAD for machine drawing or machine design, 2-stroke engine, 4-stroke engine, or civil drawing, architectural drawing, building drawing like this. So these are nothing but the types of software. Where software is defined as set of programs, where program is defined as set of instructions, where instruction is defined as an order or command given to the computer to perform certain tasks. Why we have to give the instruction to the computer means because computer will work if and only when we give the instruction to the computer. So it is genius. It is man-made machine. It is genius. It will work if and only when we are going to give the instructions in terms of programs, in terms of softwares, then only it will work. So thank you. Have a nice day. This completes the session 4 or lecturer 4.